It's Dancy Dance time!
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ligonier to near Syracuse to near North Webster, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Warsaw, Auburn, Kendallville, Garrett, Winona Lake, Ligonier, Butler, Tri-Lakes, Huntertown, Avila, Albion, Waterloo, Churubusco, Hamilton, Woodburn, Rome City, North Webster, Grable, and St. Joe. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 25 and 30. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 314 and 340. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, DeKalb, Kosciuszko, Noble, and Whitley.
Now let's go crazy. Go crazy.